Valentine's Week exploring a 7-day romantic journey with special events and its purpose. In the heart of February, love takes center stage, guiding us through a journey of love, passion, history, and tradition. Valentine's Week, a 7-day celebration, unfolds, each day a unique opportunity to express affection. Starting with Rose Day, we delve into the symbolism of roses, each color whispering different tales of love. The tradition, deeply rooted in ancient lore, sets the stage for a week of heartfelt gestures. Propose Day, it offers lovers a chance to declare their feelings, inspired by stories of grand gestures and quiet confessions that have shaped love stories for centuries. Chocolate Day sweetens the journey, embodying the rich history of cocoa in romance. This day celebrates the sensory delight of love, melting barriers and sweetening connections. Teddy Day brings a touch of whimsy, harking back to the first teddy bears, symbols of comfort and affection, embodying warmth and eternal cuddles. Promise Day invites couples to pledge their commitment, a tradition echoing ancient vows and modern promises, sealing love with words that transcend time. Hug Day and Kiss Day culminate the week, physical expressions of love with deep historical roots, each gesture a story, every touch a poem. Valentine's Day, 14th February, we are reminded of its origin, from ancient Rome to today, a celebration of love's enduring power, a week-long journey into the heart of romance.